Just a reminder to always check the description box, and if you find this video too fast, you could always change the playback speed. We'll use this wooden ring with 3 inches diameter. For the cord, I will be using this 4mm single ply cord from rightrope.com. If you would like to purchase cords from them, you could use our code HABITMADE5 to get 5% discount. Then cut 6 cords with 11 feet length each, attach it to the wooden ring by making a lark's head knot. Once done, let's separate these into 2 groups. So the first group, we are going to work with 4 cords. So we have 8 cords here. What we're going to do is we'll create double half hitch. Then onto the other side. We're gonna create a circle double half hitch, so this time we're gonna work on the lower part. Now, for these two, we're gonna do a half hitch. So let me set aside this. So to do a half hitch, make this number 4 and then inverted 4 and then number 4 again. We're gonna create 7 half hitch. Then we will just repeat the process onto this cord, but this time we're gonna make 10 half hitch. And then the next thing that we have to do is to make another circle double half hitch. And to do this, get your 8 cords. And then let's separate this 4. And using your 4th cord, we'll use this as our lead cord as we make double half hitch going to the right. And then let's work onto the other side. Get your 4th cord. We're gonna use this as our lead cord as we make double half hitch going to the left. And of course, working on the lower part. And then we will repeat the process of making a half hitch. So I'm gonna start with the inner cords. I'm gonna create 7 half hitch, and then for the outer cords, I'm gonna create 10 half hitch. Again, for our outer cords, we're gonna create 10 half hitch. Once done, we'll just repeat the process of getting our 8 cords, and we'll make a double half hitch, and then we'll still use this 4th cord as our lead cord as we create our circle double half hitch. So we just have to repeat this process until we make 7 pairs. So we have a circular double half hitch and 2 lines of half hitch. Once we're done creating 7 pairs, I will just divide these cords into 2 groups. So we have 6 cords on each side. Then I will make 3 big half hitch. So I'm still gonna divide these cords into 2. So we have 3 cords on each side. And then I will start making my half hitch. So I have 1, and then 2, and then 1 more. Then I will just repeat this process onto my left side. Then just trying out this hat. Okay, so I will create a knot on this area. Then I will just create a simple square knot. And then this part is optional, but I would just like to create half hitch on these excess cords. Then I will just secure the ends by making this simple knot. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and see you on my next tutorial.